ishintshile into.
It has now changed.
Iyahlangana indlu emnyama.
A black community is uniting.
Nongaboni uyabona manje.
Even the one who does not see now sees.
Kuba asikwazi ukucinezelwa oko.
That we cannot be oppressed all the time.
Uyabona xa sidibene ngohlobo.
When we've gathered this way,
sithumela umyalezo omkhulu esizweni sezwela kowethu nase-Afrika yonke.
we are sending a strong
Ixesha
message
lokukhuleka kwethu lifikile.
to the country and the African
Inkululeko isezandleni
and
zethu.
our time to be free has come. Freedom is
Akekho
our-
yosiza, siyosiza thina.
Nobody is going to help us, but we're going to help ourselves.
Naxa sisecaweni njengoba siyela ngoku.
Even when we're at church, that's what
Asikwazi
we are now.
ukungayithethi le.
We cannot
Kuba
speak about
senziwa
this,
amakhoboka ezweni lobaba bethu.
but we made slaves in the land of our forefathers.
Siyabulela
We thank you,
ukheli yethu
our leader,
ukuthi usikhombele lendlela.
that you've led us
Ukuthi
in this
asikhululeke.
path, that we be free.
Sidele konke.
We've lost
Sifuna izwe lawo baba nomcebo wako
wanting
wethu.
the land of our fathers and its riches.
Xa sisecaweni
When we're at church
singathethi ngalokhu
and not speak about this,
ngabe asikhulumi inyani.
we will not be telling the truth.
Inyani ithi sisahlupheka thina.
The truth is that we're still suffering.
Kodwa bayibusa abafika ezweni loba omkhulu.
But those who arrived at our forefathers' land are still ruling.
Akekho umuntu ongacindezelwa oko kuze kube sekugqibeleni.
Nobody can be oppressed forever till the end.
Kufanele sithandaze,
We need to pray.
kufanele sikhulume,
We need to speak.
kufanele ukuthi sicele abantu ukuthi asihlanganeni sibe munye.
We need to ask people that we unite and be one.
Basenzele into elula ke ngoku.
They've done something
Kuba bathe
that they said
xa kuyiwa okhethweni
when we are approaching elections.
abaninzi abantu ibona bayophatha.
The majority will be the one ruling.
Leyo nto ngamanye amazwi yayisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi nibaninzi nina abantu abamnyama kulelizwe.
In other words, this
Winani
God was
ukhetho
saying,
niphatha izwe
you
lenu.
are the majority and
Ingehlula thina ke xa singayiboni lonto.
win elections and take charge of the country.
Ukuthi uThixo uthe hayibo bekani phansi ikhali.
If we don't see that, God said,
Votani
let's put down
nithathe izwe lenu.
arms and start and vote and take over the country.
Xa singayiboni lonto
If we don't see that,
ithethe enye into.
it says something else.
Ingakho sithi indlu emnyama ihlangane
Hence we said the black community must unite
ukuthi sithathe amandla ethu okuphatha izwe lethu.
so that we take our strength to rule this country.
Lokho kuumthetho kaNkuluNkulu othe abantu abakhile endaweni yakhe abahlale babuse bangahlushwa.
It is the commandment of God that people of a country must rule over that country and not be bothered.
Ndithetha lento kokuba ndivuya gqithi xa ndibona into esiyenzile
I'm saying this for I rejoice so much when I see what we've done.
ukuhlanganisa umbutho wabantu
Uniting
kanye nebandla labantu
an
leli.
organization of men and the community of men.
Ngeke nakancinci
It will not happen.
sehlulwe ukuthola inkululeko yethu kule game.
It will not happen that we're unable to get our freedom this time around.
Kuyovuka nokhokho bame ngenyawo.
Even our forefathers will
Kuyovuka
resurrect and
ingilozi
stand
zime
up.
ngenyawo.
Angels will resurrect and stand up.
Akubalulekile ukuthi sicinge enye into ngoku.
It is very important
Asilwe asibulalani
that we think
sizovota.
We're not fighting, we're not
sithathe
killing
izwe
anybody.
lethu,
We're going to vote
sithathe ukubusa kwethu
and take
sibuse.
over our country and rule.
Chaba kwethu ngoba singamakholwa thina.
As believers that we are,
Kubantu esihlangana nabo noma imaphi nathi sihlala nabo noma imaphi kufanele sibatshene ukuthi lifikile ixesha lomuntu omnyama ukuthi aphathe izwe lakhe.
when we meet with people whom we stay with, we must tell them that time for the black men to take charge of their own country has come.
Andibona uba singoyisakala bakwethu.
I don't think this will defeat us.
Ubani owayecabanga ukuthi ecinga ukuthi
Whoever thought
singahlangana ngalendlela esihlangene ngayo.
we would gather the way we have now.
Phezolo
Yesterday,
inkokheli bezilapha sithetha.
leaders were here speaking
Kuhlangene thina
in our own gathering
sisonke sinto enye.
together as one.
Singahluleka kanjani?
How would we be defeated?
Izimpi kudala zaziliwa naseminyakeni emidala.
Wars used to be fought in the
Abanye
primitive
besuswe
times.
endaweni zabo besiwa kwezinye indawo.
People will be moved from their places to others,
Kodwa bathi sesibuyele ekhaya.
but they say we are now going back home.
Abakholwayo bayayazi lembali.
Those who believe know this history.
Ayikho into ehlula abantu uma bethi sifuna lento eyiqiniso into kaNkuluNkulu.
There's nothing that can stand against the will of people who are saying want the truth, that which is the will of God.
Sithe kwenye inkonzo sihlangene sathi
We said in this other church,
siyalithatha izwe.
we say we're taking this country.
Akube into esishumayelayo le.
Let this be what we preach.
Sikube nentshumayelo kaThixo na yonke into sicele kwabadala sicele
Ask from
eingilozini
the elders and
ukuthi
ask
ixesha
from the
lifikile.
angels that time has come.
Noma kuphina
Wherever it is,
nasemakhuleni amadala
even in all the corners,
xa icela uNkulunkulu wayewanikeza amandla
when they will
Ngeke
ask, God
angasinikeze
will give
amandla
us
nathi.
power. God will grant us the strength
ukuthi asibuye izwe lobaba libe sezandleni zethu nomcebo wobaba usezandleni zethu
That will
nombuso
reclaim
wethu ube sezandleni
the
zethu.
land of our father, the riches of our father, and the wealth be in our hand.
Ngicela mina makholo ukuthi
I'm asking you, the
noma
believers,
silala noma sivuka
that even when we sleep or wake up,
sibuke kuThixo
let's look up to
ukuthi
God.
Thixo iba nathi
And
sipha
say,
amandla
God be with us. Give us
njengoba
strength.
wabapha abanye abaholi eminyakeni emininzi
As you
eyadlula
gave the other leaders
Ixesha
many years ago,
lifikile.
time has come
ukuthi sifuna ukuliphatha lelizwe
that we
lethu.
want to take charge of this country.
Akuyona into nje siyithetha
It's not just what we are
thetha
saying.
ngoba sithi ixesha lifikile.
It's what we are saying because the time has come.
Ngifuna ukunibonga ke
I want to thank you,
makholwa kithi
our
ukuthi
believers,
ukubheka enkosini sithethe nawo sithi Thixo
that looking up to the
sikhulule.
Lord and say, God, free
Nabanye
us.
basho
The others
wabakhulula
said the same thing and he freed
nathi
them.
uzosikhulula
Also is going to free us.
ngoba noma singakhuluma sithini
For even if we may talk,
kodwa uma singakwazi ukuyisa uchaba lwethu olwasukelayo
if we can't defeat our own enemy,
mhlawumbe sothi siyaqhamuka kwabangcwele bathi laba bayabenjani lapha.
when we come or visit the holy, they'll say, what kind of people these used to be?
Ngifuna ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi
I want to give thanks that
siyathola ithuba into esibusa ngoku noma sithandaza
what we are
ukuthi
praying for
ayiphele inhlupheko kumuntu omnyama.
is that let's end poverty in a black man.
Indlu emnyama ayibuphane
Let
ibenye.
the black community come together and be one.
Ayikho into engasoyisa bakwethu.
There's nothing that can defeat us.
Nasebunzimeni
Even in difficult
abaninzi
times,
baphumelela ngoba babezimisele.
many succeeded for they were committed.
uThixo makasincede.
May God help us.
Kokheli yethu
Our leader,
sithembele kuwe,
we have trust in you.
sithembele kuwe,
We trust you.
sithembele kubafundisi.
We trust the pastors.
Kuba asahlehli ngoku.
For we are not retreating now.
Ngeke sina kancinci.
We want even
Ninzi izinto ezenzeke kuthi njengoba ndisho nje
There's a lot
mina
that happened
ndiva
to us.
ngendaba ndandikhona esiqithini.
I'm not being
Yahlala
told the
10 years
story.
yonke.
I was in Robben Island for 10 years.
Siboshwele ubali ukuthi sifuna inkululeko.
We're incarcerated for wanting our own freedom.
Ndake ndahamba ndalishiya ilizwe.
I once left this country.
Shumi leminyaka neminyaka emine ngemva kwalokho.
For 14 years after that,
Silwela lenkululeko.
fighting for this freedom.
Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangathi hey uyakhuluma lokuba wayegangile waboshwa kwahle kwavutha kwasala malahle.
Many would say I'm speaking for I was in trouble and got incarcerated.
Mina lo
I,
kulelizwe sithi sikhulekile kulo.
in this nation in which we say we are free,
Ndiye ndathathwa uhulumente lo
I was taken by this
lo
government,
engangikuye
this government in which I was
ndingenatyala
without any wrongdoing.
bandifaka entorongweni
They threw me in prison.
kwacishe kwabhubha abantu.
People nearly died,
Into eyenza ukuthi ndibone uba ndiye lapha entorongweni
which made me
ndandithi
to go.
andisindise abantu bakithi abazophinde babulawe
I went
ngoba
to prison to save my people,
thina siyabulawa nje noma kanjani.
for we are just killed no matter how.
Kwasha amajaji
Judges said
into ebuhlungu kakhulu yokulwana jaji lalikhipha isigwebo
the most
lali
painful,
umama
the judge who
lathi
handed
kuba
down the
uZuma
judgment,
akafuna ukuyenza lento
was a woman.
asimbophe noma ngabe
Said
umthetho
if
ungavumi
the
siyambopha.
former president doesn't want to do this, let's arrest him.
Inkululeko ke leyo
That is the
okuthiwa
freedom
sisi kuyona
in which we are told.
yilento
we are.
ethi asilwele izwe lethu sokuthi sikhululeke.
Hence we say, well, let's fight for our country so we may be free.
Sihlangeneke manje thina
We've
thina nje
gathered
emnyama and
as a black
siyahlangana zonke
community.
izinsuku
We gather all the time.
solithatha izwe labawo
We'll reclaim our father's land,
noma kumnyama noma kubomvu.
even if it's dark or blue.
Hayi benithetha nje lenzela
Just
uba
saying,
sazi ukuthi sisempini
so that we may know we are in war.
sifuna inkululeko yethu.
We want our freedom.
Ukhona napha phakathi uthi ungayifuni inkululeko?
Is there amongst us who does not want this freedom?
Asifuni.
Do you not want the freedom?
Nanso asithathe.
Let's take it.
Ndiyabulela. Bulela
I thank
kakhulu.
you. I thank you
Benifuna
very
nje
much.
ukusho lokho
I
namhlanje.
wanted to just say that
Ngingasho
today
into eziningi.
and not say many things.
Leyo nje ukuthi
That
ngoku
now
indlu emnyama
black
iyahlangana.
community is uniting.
Nabekade bengaboni bayabona
Even
manje.
those who did not
Ukuthi
see
ixesha
now see
lifikile
that time has come
lokukhuleka umuntu omnyama.
for the freedom of the black man.
Singathi siba ngaka soyiswe ukuvota nje ukuwina ngokuvota.
Can't we win by voting as
Kanti
much
ngabe
as we
singabantu
are?
abanjani?
What kind of people would we be?
Thini bafondini? Thini? Hayi ke ndiyazi ukuthi isiXhosa sami sesalimala ndandinaso kudala.
I used to have a
Kodwa
bit of
ndinivile.
Xhosa, but it's depleted now.
Siyabulela baba kwethu.
We thank you.
Ndivuyela nje ukuthi
Thank
ngibe
you
khona la. Ngixolisa uba ndifike late.
I'm glad to be
Kodwa
here and apologize
ndivuya
for
ukuthi
being late,
inkonzo
but I'm happy
nansi
that the church is here.
ndiyabulela kakhulu.
I thank you very much.
Asibeni munye.
Let us be united.
Asihlanganeni nje
Let
emnyama.
us come together.
Ixesha
The black
lifikile.
community. Time has come.
Asicelele wonke umuntu
Let's
ukuthi
tell
ixesha
everybody
lifikile.
that time has come.
Ndiyabulela.
Thank you.
Thina sizwe esimnyama sikhalela izwe ngabamhlophe thina sizwe esimnyama sikhalela izwe lethu sikhalela izwe lethu ke lathathwa kuthi izwe lethu ngabamhlophe mabaweka umhlaba wethu mabaweka umhlaba wethu mabaweka umhlaba wethu umhlaba longo wethu ubuyele mabaweke umhlaba ubuyele zinkosini thina sizwe esimnyama siyakhala sifuna umhlaba wethu sikhalela izwe lethu elaxuthwa kuthi elathathwa ngabamhlophe mabaweke umhlaba wethu bawuyeka umhlaba wethu siyakhala sifuna umhlaba wethu mawubuyele kwinkosi zethu.